Hello, Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen, and today I've got a treat for you. I'm going to do something I very rarely do. It's an unboxing of some really awesome knitting notions from a company you may have not heard of before. So let's dive in right now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. Now, my surroundings may look a little bit different, and that is because I'm on my way to a YouTube mastermind group to help bring you even better knitting videos. I'm in Las Vegas right now. It's a super hot day. It got up to 119 degrees here today. Whew, I feel very fortunate to be inside and out of the heat. So I thought, what else should I do? I'll bring you some more knitting videos, right? I will provide links to all of the products shown here in the description below. My package arrived in this really pretty pink package. I sliced it open, but I haven't actually opened it. I've been saving it to look at with you. Ooh. So this is a card from Billy and Ba, and just a little thank you. Hi, Nancy and Joy, Megan. And here's all their contact info, which I'll provide in the description below, but billyandba.com. I'm going to leave that right here. And it's wrapped in this pretty yellow tissue paper. Ooh, and I like this. We're going to start with this notions bag. So I'll put this stuff aside and then show it to you. Let's talk about this notions bag. Rainbow colors, there's a little loop on it, so you could clip it to your knitting bag. I like that it's got colors, but it's also see-through, so you can easily find your notions. That is a great bag. Okay, and next up, these are row and repeat tracker sticky notes. Stick to your patterns, to your pattern to keep track of your work in progress. This is the kind of thing I just talked about in my last 5 tips video. This is something that everyone needs. Oh my goodness, let's look at this. So here's the little, oh, here it is. Okay, I get it. It's like a little post-it note, rows and repeats tracker. So you can make notes, you can check off your rounds, you can make notes on your repeats. This is great, and they are a sticky note, so you can move them around. That is a great tool. Oh my gosh, love that. Next we have, oh my gosh, this adorable Fix-It stitch marker. Look at it, it's a Band-Aid. How cute is that? We're gonna have to open. We're gonna have to open. Oh my gosh. So it's this little tiny Band-Aid. So if you make a mistake, you hook this to the stitch, to the drop stitch and the next closest stitch, so that it's not going to go anywhere and you can come back and fix it later. That is genius. I absolutely love this idea. Oh my gosh. Oh, rainbow circle stitch markers. They fit up to a size 10 and you get 20 of them. I love that. Because sometimes I don't care what stitch markers I have, and then other times I need a specific color. So I might just use any old color and then say to myself, okay, red is going to be the beginning of my row, and then I won't use the red for anything else. These are great. Plus, it's fun to come to pretty colors in your knitting rather than just something boring. I love that. Oh my goodness. Pattern place markers. Magnetic tabs to keep your place. This is also genius. Rather than having to write on your actual pattern, you can just use these. I see it opens up. It's a magnet. So if you're in your pattern, you're just going to use this and move along through your pattern and slide it down to where you stopped, so you always know where you are when you walk away from your project. And it looks like you get 3 of those in the pack. I like how they're very thin and compact. Some magnets like this are really bulky, but these are nice. Okay, and the last notion in here, oh my gosh, finger massage roller to soothe hardworking hands. I have got to try this. It says, finger massage rollers roll up and down fingers to offer gentle relief to finger muscles. After knitting or crocheting, place a finger massage roller on finger and roll it up and down 20 to 30 times. Repeat on the other fingers. Don't wear it as jewelry, okay? Yeah, it's tight. It would hurt. But for this purpose, oh my gosh, this feels good. Let me put it on. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Yep. Ooh, it makes kind of little marks. Oh, this feels really nice. And it comes in silver and gold. So based on what jewelry you're wearing, you can match. Genius. Thank you so much to Billy and Ba for sending these awesome tools. Go check them out in the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.